Backtesting every day until unprofitable day 119. So crazy, already 19 days ago that was day 100. Wasn't a special day, but 90 days already. More than 2 weeks, crazy. So that's where I left off yesterday. Gonna open Forex Factory. So March 2019. So this is where I left off yesterday. 16 trades, 40 break evens, 52% room rate, really high, I would say, compared to what it normally is. It's normally from like 35 to 50, so it's a bit above 50. And then we're July, crazy results here, and then we're about to head into December. So let's go into the charts. Let's move this down. All right. So let's see, this 25th of July, 2019. That'll be on a Thursday. Okay, so I'll be trading this entire day. Okay, let's see what we have in price action. Just looking at the daily. Can already see that we're really bullish in the bigger time frame. And then we have the singular daily busy, which got closed above again, so that will be a reclaimed busy. I think same thing on a yes, yeah. So right here, this will be the low-hanging fruit, which is all-time highs, which is already taken, but still I expect price to go higher. Let's see what we have in this time frame. So 8 hour, yeah, 8 hour we have a singular busy here, from swing low to swing high. We are in this, and then on a yes, we have a singular 6 hour, which will be here, and then same thing, we're really bullish. That'll be the low hanging fruit there as well, and that'll be all-time highs as a target for NQ. Okay, let's see what we have in structure here. So 8:30 news, no other news. We have a drop lower beneath these lows, which were kind of equal. So it could be nice and like a nice New York reversal inside of that busy. See what we'll do here. We have also really clean highs above here. ES perfectly equal highs here, these 3 highs. And Q hasn't taken these highs, so we have actually perfectly or really clean highs up here. Still all this liquidity up here. Let's see, 9:30 open, drop lower. So if you can get like a 9:30 reversal. Okay, we are dropping lower. Or could we drop in 2 towards 2? That'll be the range here on NQ. And the range on ES would be, that's at 6 hour. For ES, I would drag it all the way from the range low all the way to this, so not even gonna mark that out. So NQ only optimal trade entry. So I know that like on the lower time frame, so I know where we are in structure. Like this is all just nothing, and with these lines I know, okay, we're somewhere here off that range. Let's see, we're still dropping lower. I think this is an entry. Oh, 9:56. I have to wait until 10 a.m. which is right here. That'll be 10 a.m. And then let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, and then we did have this busy here, which I think we closed below now. So 8 hour we closed below. Yes, same thing. Now closed below, so it's going to be looking for shorts until the range low, which will be on NQ, or yes, that'll be looking for shorts until all the way there. And then for NQ, it will be looking for shorts until all the way there. Doesn't mean that we have to go there today or this day, but I'm looking for shorts until there. Can mark out these lows as well, which will be a stage accumulation in this mark maker sell model. Right here, right here, right here, right there, right there, and then this will be the low hanging fruit. So let's see if we do want to go higher, and then this would be used as an inversion, or I'm anticipating this get used as an inversion. Let's see, so looking for shorts now. Just looking at the structure, where we have a big gap in here as well. We don't yet. Okay, so just looking at the structure here. See what we want to do. Drop lower, but there's no entry inside of here, I think. Okay, yes, has taken these equals now. If we inverse this, and that's going to be an entry, which we do at 10:22, so that'll be in the right time. After taking these equals, that'll be the inversion. Really tight stop to break even, which will be at this low. It's almost not even worth entering, but it is. Place, and let's see what we have. First AP will be a minimum of 1 and 2. Okay, so this candle I would be filled in here, candle with no manipulation. Target minimum of 1 and 2, or inside of a 1 or 3, but that isn't, so that's going to be first TP. We'll see what we do though. So stops now at break even. Let's see. Okay, we did hit the low, but we didn't hit TP, so that's no TP. Did prevent me from getting fully stopped. Yeah, I wouldn't have held this. Like, I'm expecting for this to get traded through, and then go lower to the sell side. So let me open up Notion to base it in there. So that will be a break even trade. I'm still looking for shorts. It's still in the right time, so let's see what we do. Do you want to go somewhere? 26 minutes, and then we have a singular Sibi, and now we're just holding, or now we just have Sibi here, Sibi here, Sibi here. Yo, David, how are you, man? And oh, we also have a leg in here. 15. Now just looking at the structure, not gonna make it too complicated. Let's see, so trading higher, still looking for shorts. Step into the inversion now. Still in the right time. Okay, okay, wow, this actually is an entry. So yes, taking out these equals, we did trade into the inversion around constant encroachment as well. Didn't take it up for our high, and then ES taking out these equals. And then enclosure below would be here. That'll be on this candle, so this candle is going to be the entry. Stop at the sweep. Break even at open inefficiency there, inside of a 1 to 1. We break even, place, save. Alright, and then break even on yes. That'll be all the way here. First CP 1 and 2 inside of a 1 or 3. That'll be a fixed 1 or 2. There's no stage of accumulation here. Let's see what we do. Nothing yet. Okay, so that's a full stop. 11:02. I want to see what we did after. Was this a re-entry? No. Just playing this out. Nothing here. Okay, so that will be a full stop and no re-entry here. So unfortunate loss, I would say. Or oh, there is actually. Let me check it if it is. Gonna copy this. That'll be a loss. Okay, and then I got stopped out on this. Still, it's a valid entry, or still would be, the buys would still be valid. And yeah, this is a valid setup, so taking out these equals here on 10:58. And then we do have a singular BC here, which got closed below on this candle. Same thing, stop at the high in the right time. Yeah, 10:59, stop at the high. Break even will be at an open inefficiency. That would be a break even trade. That would be here. Yeah, that would be a break even trade. Unfortunate. So that would be really tough. Or tough, rough, I don't know. How's your top step doing? I'm in drawdown right now in with 1%. After new high, you want a new low. After new low, you want a new high. Just like market structure. Yes. Like that one. Yeah, so not gonna take this trade. We'll be break even. We entered on here. Stop would have been here. And then this open inefficiency. Yeah, got hit here. And then that would be my stop. That would be break even. Gonna play this out to see what we did. Think we are gonna drop lower, yeah. Oh no, that didn't get hit yet. Still wanna, yeah, that would have been hit. So reinforce it. Got one break even trade, which eventually, wait, did it? Oh no, one break even trade, one loss, which the bias was correct, and then one more re-entry, and then that was a break even. Really unfortunate, but that happens. So yeah, break even. Going to the PM session. Yeah, that happens. That happens. Really nice reaction off that inversion. Same on ES. Really beautiful. You can see that happened there. What do you mean? With this here. I'll be now in the PM session. The draw is still there. Would be really nice if we trade a bit higher, create more structure and then go lower. But honestly, don't think we will. See what we do though. Seeing your 5-minute Sibi. And then on ES, seeing your 4-minute Sibi, which you are in. See what we do here. Do need to see manipulation higher at 13.15 or 13.30. That's right there. That would be a really nice manipulation if we close below now. Okay, we don't yet. Waiting. Nothing here. Okay, so about to disrespect this Civi. ES is taking this out. We have taken a range high on this. Haven't had some T at those highs. See if we want to drop lower there. Then watch bigger move. That made a new high. Know that you want a new low. Then you can watch for longs after a new low. You're Dutch, right? Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, so ES taking out these highs. Isn't the right time? It is. Do we have an inefficiency here? Oh, we do have one there, so it's no entry. Will be a not even a 2-minute. Okay, so waiting for more structure still. Really nice drop lower after taking that high. Let's see if we want to go now. Do a 2-minute there, yeah. 1408, waiting. Nothing here. Still going higher. Still the draw is lower for me. We did inverse this on both now. Thank you, that's a 5 minutes, 1410. Kind of want to test this out. I'm not going to take an entry on this, but I want to have this marked out in my Notion. That we have 4-minute on yes. And that's already taken, oké. Oké, groot plaatje met trend. Ja, dat is wat ik probeer, man. hier zat die entry. Dat zou een hele mooie short geweest zijn. Maar ja, ik kreeg gewoon die entry helaas niet. Ik heb gewoon mijn entry model gevolgd. Alleen ja, helaas niet kunnen catchen. Maar ja, wel die reactie. Ik zou zeggen dat wel de bias is wel daar correct, maar... is meer met de krenten counteren. Nou, ik denk dat dit best wel lekkere short was hier. Ik zoek hier nog steeds naar shorts, omdat we hier al die equal lows hebben. En dan die bear timeframe is ook nu bearish. Dus daarom. Or... 30 minutes doing weird again. Okay, so let's see. 14:15. Yeah, I can mark out a range here, but it's really annoying that we don't have that singular 30 minutes. Maar je ziet dat je niks gaint. Hoe bedoel je? Yeah, it's really annoying with this structure here. Because I can mark out the 30 minutes in here. I can mark out optimal trade entry in here to just give more direction or clarity, I would say. So let's see, still looking for shorts. 14:29. They close below this now. Yes, ja, we did take, did we? Okay, we have taken these lows. Okay, yeah, we have, okay. So this is an entry again. Even though I don't really like this one. We'll see. Let's see inversion. Stop the high. Break even will be at right there. First CP will be a fixed 1 or 2, I think. Where they'll be at these lows. Yeah, inside of A1 or 3. Still open liquidity in there. Break even will be at this low, and then for ES they'll be at this low. Let's see. Don't really like this trade, but we'll see. Okay, that's break even. We'll see if we want to go now. Break even trade and see what we eventually did. Okay, that would be outside my kill zone anyway, but I still want to see what we did here. Okay, so we had like huge earnings there. Eventually would have hit it, but that would be crazy earnings. But 1508, if I still was in a position, which I wasn't, now I close it at right here. So that'll be a nice 1 to 6, but that'll be break even trade. Let's see if there was like a re-entry in here. Don't think there was. No, there wasn't. So I would also say like this price action, not really the best price action. Like we had double manipulation at some things, and don't like this run lower, like all these clean highs here. But that could be like, this is a big earnings candle, so that could be like, I don't know, Nvidia, or I don't know, 2019 was big then. Nvidia as well, I don't know. Ik bedoel, met de eerste gain is meestal geen gain. Hoe bedoel je? Ik bedoel, met de eerste gain is meestal geen gain. Eerste. Hoe bedoel je dan? So go to Friday, where it's also the full day trading. Go to the next day. So eventually we did take the low there. Now let's look where we are in price again. Just gonna remove all of this. So bigger time frame I know is still bullish obviously, but just looking at this structure in here, can remove all of this. Yes, okay, so we have a single 1 hour SIB here, which got closed above. So this will be an inversion, targeting low hanging fruit on like a, was it like a 12 hour? That will be low hanging fruit on the bigger time frame. And then let's see what ES is doing. So ES has a singular 1 hour SIB, which it's still respecting, but bigger time frame is bullish, so that's why I'm picking this. Okay, I see this as an inversion and not a SIB. Even though ES is below it, and Q did close above it, so that would tell me enough. And this would be that busy, which we would need to respect then from there to go higher. Okay, let's see where it dropped in here. So here, swing high to swing low, you have a single 2 hour busy. And then from here, low hanging fruit would be here. And then that would be here. And this would also be low hanging fruit, which is all time highs on ES. And then that would be here as well. Okay, so let's see. Looking for bullish price again. You have 8:30 news. Just looking at the structure, yeah, we tapped nicely in this busy here, taking out the sell side below here. We have a huge gap as well, which we did tap. Don't have to, but just looking at the structure from there. Okay, so ES is really close to this high, so maybe 9:30 will straight up go into the buy side here, but we'll see. It does, but still I'll be bullish from there. And that will be a buy side up there, and then only the buy side up there for ES. Let's see what we do. Okay, so now just waiting for my entry. 9:48. I do need to see like manipulation lower. Do you have like clean lows here? Maybe you want to go lower into these lows and then go to the all-time high start then. I do think we're gonna, okay. Don't take it yet. I wouldn't say I do think we're gonna take it, but we didn't. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you have a 2-minute SIB here after taking these equal lows. If we inverse this, and that's an entry, which we didn't. No, we didn't, so no entry. Is lastig uitleggen, maar ik kijk anders naar. Ja, dan is het lastig. Kijk altijd lokaal? Nee, ik kijk ook naar de bigger timeframe. Ik zoom het elke keer in. En dus weet ik al, bijvoorbeeld hier, weet ik al, oké, we zijn hier. Dit is die bigger timeframe busy. Ik weet ook, oké, met deze lag, ik hoef niet eens naar een hogere timeframe te kijken. Ik weet wel, oké, dit is een 5 minuten inefficiency. Die hoef ik niet echt te markeren. Ik kijk hier gewoon naar de structuur. Oké, cel staat hier, cel staat hier. Ik zie clean lows. Dus ik zoom niet altijd in en ik heb het al een beetje dan in mijn hoofd, zeg maar. Okay, so still the buy sits up here, really clean highs up there. And then we did get a nice manipulation lower. I don't really like this CB. It's really big. If we inverse it, it is an entry, but it's just really big, which I don't like. But we'll see what we do. Okay, so we didn't inverse it yet. Still looking for bullish prices, so waiting. Really nice. Okay, if we have now, we now went below these lows. If you now want to trade higher, then that would be an entry. Nothing here, still waiting. Not interested in shorts. Okay, we have taken this low now. See what ES did. Okay, so ES taking out these equal lows as like internal. Then still we have these lows, but we don't have to take it. And then 938 still in the right time. And again in this bigger time frame busy. And then ES have these really clean highs up here. So that would be, I would say this looks pretty nice. It's going to be a pretty tight break even though. So that would be the entry. We don't have any other news as well, so that's good. That would be the break even. Just crazy. First CP will be inside of a 1 and 2. Or inside of a 1 and 3, minimal 1 and 2. That will be first. Let's see what we do here. So place, save. Let's see. Oh yeah, and a break even on yes. That's going to be at the black line there, so we'll see what we do. Okay, instant stop. Gonna get up there. I want to see what we did after. Okay, so not the cleanest price action. Eventually we do go there, so I would say that's a really unfortunate stop again. But there maybe is like a re-entry, I don't know, but gonna see. But really nice move again. What I was looking for. Not a break even, will be a full loss. Alright, so let's see. So I got stopped out on this. And let's see what we did here. Again, ES taking equal lows, still inside of the SIBI, which I would like to see as an inversion. Yes, still respecting it, but that would be a anticipated inversion because of bigger time frame still bullish, and then in Q closing above that SIBI. Yeah, ES taking out these lows. I think this is a re-entry. That would be the inversion. In the right time as well. It is in the right time. Don't really like the candle closure that's so big above, but yeah, that'll be the entry. Break even is now going to be at an open inefficiency, which would be here. Okay, I think this is a W, 1-to-1 break even. Right there, and then the yes break even, that'll be at the black line, which is exactly there as well. So let me go back on this, where I got stopped out. Maar kijk je daar niet voor een short? Want je faalt op de 15 minuten volgens mij om een nieuwe high te maken. Het ding is, je treedt anders dan mij. Heb meestal 4 punten op. Ja, dat is heel erg persoonlijk natuurlijk. Okay, it's so weird talking English and then Dutch. I'm gonna respond in English, but I'm gonna read it in my head in Dutch. That would be better, I think. But yeah, what you say, like, that's really personal. Like the thing, like how you trade. Like that would make sense to you, but to me it wouldn't make sense. And you could see like the push that we had here. That was what I was catching. That was what I was trying to catch. But yeah, I couldn't get it. But yeah, you could see like why not follow the trend? Why not bearish? I was following the bigger time frame trend, and I'm looking for higher runs basically. But yeah, gonna take the trade here, and I think this would be a W. I don't know if he actually went here, but let's see. Minimal of 1 or 2 TP. And this would be the target, but ES has taken that from there, so I could remove that. And then it would be a fixed 1 or 2, I think, yeah. It will be a fixed 1 or 2 right there. Alright, so let's see. The entry would be on a candle closure after taking these equal lows. Break even on the black line on NQ or ES. That would be the break even. Don't know if we actually went there, we'll see. Nice, beautiful. All right. Let me, yeah, nice. 75% off there. At that 102. That'll be first TP. And then I don't look at the liquidity here because that's already taken on yes. And then now the only targets that we have left is this high, which I don't know why I haven't marked this one out. But this high, so either that gets taken on NQ or yes, and then I would take my full TP off. So right there, let's see. Or I'd get stopped to break even, or it will be outside my kill zone. So yeah, stops to break even, see what we do. Not there yet. Nice, and that would be full TP, beautiful. Like look, just looking at this, like you could see, oh, why are you not following the trend? And then you see this, like it's really, like everything is, it's all personal. Like it's really, what are you trying to catch? What is your setup? What are your trading times? What, like, so many things. It's all personal. So really nice, copy image. And that'll be full TP. Nice. Okay, so skipping that day, that's a nice Friday. I'm going to the next day, which is going to be Monday again. We have no news. I skip this. Tuesday, consumer confidence. I'll be trading this entire day. We do have FOMC on Wednesday. Thursday, we have PMI, so a nice trading day as well. Okay, actually no, because it's the day before NFP, and we have Powell speaking. President-elect. So that's the thing. What is it? I'm not trading the day before NFP, never. So I'm not trading this day, but I am not trading the day before Powell is speaking. In this case, I'm not trading the day anyway, but still. And then also on the same day that Powell is speaking, so let's say Powell is speaking at like 2 p.m. I will trade after I would trade after 2 p.m. Because I see Powell as major news as well. Now is someone else speaking with red folder news, but it is someone speaking. So I'm gonna find out now if it's okay to trade before that, or if it's only Powell, like the head of the Federal Reserve. So we'll see what they say. Really curious on this day, what we're gonna do there. But yeah, Tuesday, 10 a.m. news. So we're moving all of the price action here. For all the drawings. Yo, cool. Yo, bro, going to sleep now. Just thought I'd drop in and say hi. Wow, nice, man. Hi, man. Hope you have a good session. Thank you, man. Hope you sleep well, man. Thank you for saying hi, man. All right, yeah. So let's see where we're going now. Obviously, this looks very bearish. Bigger time frame still very bullish, but looking at the structure, what are we doing? Okay, so the swing high to swing low. See what range we're in. That would still be here. So I'm still looking at the inefficiencies in here. That will be an 8-hour, which you got close above. So that will be reclaimed busy. Got close below. Got close above. Close below. Now this close below tells me, okay, bearish until open inefficiency in here. If ES does the same thing, which I think it did. And then the range on the ES would be swing low, swing high. We're still trading inside of here. Literally, this is still trading inside of here. So swing low, swing high. Looking for singular gaps. We have one here on the 6-hour. 8-hour, we have one here, which would be right here. Didn't close below yet. Maybe in 29 minutes we will. Oh, same thing on NQ. Oh no. Oh, actually, 6-hour. Wait, what? Yeah, we'll be at an 8-hour as well. So 29 minutes, I'm still bullish. But in 29 minutes, which we probably will, then I would be bearish, because then we would have closed below this busy. And then it's going to be looking for shorts on yes until the low all the way here again. So either the significant range low or significant low gets taken on NQ or on yes. And then I would be bullish again. See, we have in price here. Okay, so we have a swing high in here. We have a singular SIBI, which is on the 30 minutes. I like to see this get used as resistance, so maybe the Juice swing could trade in there and then go lower. Then we have a swing high here to swing low, swing receiving here, and then same thing for yes as on NQ. That'll be the low hanging fruit, and expecting for us to trade through there. Stage of accumulation will be this low, this low. That low is already taken, that'll be there. And then this low. Okay, so only having these marked out. So trading towards the lows there. Why do I have 4 marked here and then... Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, let's see what we do here. Yo, Jimbo, how are you, man? Alright, let's see. So we do have 10 AM news, which is consumer confidence. Yeah, so let's see. Hopefully you don't instantly trade into the sell side. Wait, did I have... Yeah, okay, so I can remove this already. Alright, let's see. So trading higher into that civvy, that looks nice. 940. 947, now I have to wait until 10 AM news. Which will be right here. That's news, is it? That's really nothing. It is the right date, yeah it is, okay. So still respecting that civvy. And yes, beautiful as well. Let's see if you now can actually go lower. This would be the low hanging fruit. And then here as well. Let's see. Okay, trading higher, but I'm not interested in longs, so I'm waiting. Did we close below this? We didn't on NQ, did we? Doesn't really, no, fully respected it. Respected it, so I have to wait here. Now we did. Is it an entry? It is. Really don't like it. 10, 12, take now equal highs, yes. So taking equal highs on this. You haven't taken a 4-hour high? No, definitely not. So we also trade higher in here, which would be a single 4-hour civvy, which I could mark out here as well. Could remove this and let's see what we did on yes. That will only be that 30 minutes, but NQ did just barely tap in that 4-hour. That would be the inversion. That's the closure below, so entry. Stop at the high, which is going to be really big. And a break even will be at the open inefficiency in here. Place, save. First TP will be a minimum of 1 or 2 inside of A1 or 3. So all these stages of accumulation, that'll be the target. So that'll be the break even. Remove this, so the black line there on NQ, here, or on yes, right there. Or right there. So let's see what we do. Okay, still in this, waiting. Doesn't look so good. We'll see what we do though. Okay, so eventually got hit. Really, I don't know why. Tuesday, did we get anything crazy? No, so no explanation for this price action, but does look pretty bad in my opinion. With this, like it's not that like a stopped out, and it's like I would prefer it to get instantly stopped out and then create more structure and then maybe go lower or higher. But like the choppiness or the choppy, like just the ranging in here, just the slow price action, like most of the time I always want to find like a reason. Okay, what could be the reason for this? But can't find anything on here, so I don't know why. But yeah, that sometimes is like a market can do anything at once, so that could be just a reason for that. Let's see, this is gonna be outside my training time. Let's go to the PM session. Still really how do I say this? I'm good, bro. How are you? I'm good, man, as well. I was your Tuesday. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Yeah, just looking into this lower time frame, which I don't like doing, but yeah, I have nothing for that. But yeah, just looking at the structure. We don't really have any equal lows. We have still really clean lows here, I would say. That's the only thing, and then the highs we have taken it already. So we'll see what we do. I'm still bearish. Let's see, I do need simulation higher at 1315 or 1330. Do get a small one here, but there's no inversion, so I'm still waiting. Okay. Yes, taking these or having these really clean highs, and then if we close below this, then that would be an entry. Yeah. Let's see what we do. We don't. We trade higher. Trade still higher, or still trade higher. That'll be that range high. Like we don't have to get there, but that's where we could go if you do want to go higher. But yeah, still bearish here. Like there's nothing on this time frame for me. 5 minutes. Oh yeah, this is something I wanted to see. We don't have anything here. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, so what I wanted to check here, same thing as, I don't want to even be valid, like the same thing I have on my 50 minute, 30 minutes, or with an inefficiency. Now we have 2, but we don't have a single one, so that's why I have 2 here. And then 3 minutes, if we close above here, if we have taken a range low, then I could be looking for longs until the range high, but we didn't even take the range low, so there's nothing even here. But so still looking for shorts. Really don't like the price action here. Trade higher here. Now we have taken liquidity inside of the spirit time frame inefficiency as well, so that would be even more bearish, even though it's obviously looks like nothing really. You ready for trading tomorrow? Yeah, man, I'm like not hyped, like that would be too much, but yeah, again, like excited, I would say. Yeah, again, because 2 days without trading, like it's, of course it's but I really like trading. Like that's just I can't hide that. Like yeah, I just really like trading. So yeah, tomorrow trading, we'll see what we do. We'll just be following everything, and yeah, we'll see, of course. So yeah, this is gonna be the entry, even though it looks really like why are you going against the trend in this? Like there's no reason to be looking for lower prices, and I would say the same thing. But I have to follow my system, which I will do, and in real time I would have taken this trade as well. I know in the end, if this doesn't work, I know in the end it will be working. So, but that's only gonna work if I stick to everything that it's gonna show me. So that would be the break even. Is it even an entry? It is. Read that break even. Break even on yes, right there. We'll see. Okay, so that's a break even trade, and I would have already been break even on this, so don't hit TP, please. Okay. Please don't hit TP. Okay, did hit TP, but obviously I wouldn't be in this in the live market, so not taking this. But yeah, beautiful example again where it started with the inversion. Beautiful, but yeah, just couldn't be in this. I would be break even on this, so unfortunate. Replay this. So really nice, I would say. Look at that. That's why I always take the setup. Like I don't know, like I think the price is gonna go instantly to my stop, because why would I be looking for lower prices? But if I knew everything, then I would be profitable, and then I wouldn't need a trading strategy. So in that instant case, obviously, so doing everything that my strategy says I need to do. And then sometimes these play out, and I would say it would be even worse if I wouldn't have taken this, because I thought I know better than my strategy, and then this played out, even though it would be breaking, but still. Was there anything in here? No, this would be market close, so yeah, nothing in here. Really unfortunate, couldn't do this in the right time, but really nice reaction off of like CE around there. Going to Wednesday now. I hope price doesn't just consolidate after CPI. Gotta be careful for that. Yeah, that's like CPI tomorrow could either be really good price action finally, like after some weeks, finally getting some better price action. But yeah, also we're in December, we're nearing holiday season. We have just taken a major liquidity target. It could also be like December. Like there's where do we need to go on the bear time frame? Like we always hunting for lower time frame liquidity. If you look at bear time frame liquidity now, like what would be the yearly objective like what would be the yearly objective for like the yearly candle, like for it to be like at all-time highs in my opinion. And then okay, that's already taken in December. Sometimes it gets taken in a earlier in a macro or earlier in like London session, and you thought it was gonna hit in New York session, but it got in London session like earlier, and then that'll be the same thing for like year. So yeah, the yearly objectives already been taken, so there's no reason for us to go anywhere. So that could be like choppy price action, but I don't know, really not hoping for that obviously, but could be, which I'm not thinking we will do that, but it's just something that I keep in the back of my head. Yeah, it could be, who knows. December is my worst month for my it's really funny that we have the same thing, but yeah, for me as well. Or no, I wouldn't say the worst, but it's definitely the top top 2, top 3. Not my best month for sure, yeah. From my backtesting results. But yeah, Wednesday we have FOMC, so I'm skipping on to the PM session. Really nice, look at that. 9:30 opens, chop, high, low. And then yeah, that will be lunch hour, and then lunch hour doesn't really either, but still, okay. So go to yeah, FOMC statement at 2 p.m. It's always at 2 p.m. I don't know why I was looking at it. I think it has it like, who knows, maybe like you probably can find it if you look it up, but has it always been at 2 p.m.? I think it is, like from what I've seen. But that's just from, yeah, I'm now in 2019, and that's the furthest I've gone, I think. So yeah, who knows, maybe in like 2018 FOMC was like on a Tuesday, who knows. So yeah, let's see where we are now. So bear time frame, we're still inside of this singular SIBI. Bear time frame bullish, but SIBI, and I do know, okay, we have this here. This, is it a 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour. So swing low to swing high, 30 minutes. We have here swing high, highest high. We have one here, 1 hour. We have a singular one. We close below this on NQ. Let's see what we did on ES, because otherwise I have to be looking for bullish prices. Okay, so yes, swing low, swing high, busy. Closure below, respecting it, trading lower, nice reaction so far. So I'm expecting for here from yeah, for it to drop lower from here. Low hanging fruit be right here. There'll be right here. Okay, next low hanging fruit, or next stage accumulation already taken. That'll be right here. Rias right here. Don't think we're gonna get this in like the last hour of trading, but we'll be trading towards the low there. So let's see. We also have FOMC meeting minutes. So at 14:14, once that candle closes, I can't take a trade anymore. So this is FOMC. See what we do. Okay. 14:15 already, so I have to wait until 14:30. Right there, that's 14:30. Let's see what we do now. Have a huge drop lower. 14:37. Everything these equal highs. It is an entry, but really don't think it's gonna take a 1 or 2 here. But that'll be the inversion. Break even will be at this low. For yes, it will be also at this low. I wouldn't say these are equal, otherwise it would be break even at this, but I really wouldn't say this is equal. And that's like the thing, those are the things that is objective in the strategy. What are equal lows, what isn't. Like that's very objective. But I would say, okay, if we take this low, we're gonna go to this one as well, but no equal lows, and that's the rule. If you have equal lows on not the liquidity as like stage here, so not liquidity as like this. And then okay, yeah, we have equal lows here. Then here, no, it would be okay, an actual bear time frame low, and that's also subjective, bro. And it's showing factual in live markets too. Yeah, that's for me as well. January is good form for me, so fingers crossed there, man. Yeah, January also for me, not the best. But yeah, fingers crossed, of course. Yeah, let's see. So I would enter on this. Yeah, so that's break even. trading through all these lows in the right time. Yeah, it is. So first TP will be a minimum of 1 and 2 instead of a 1 or 3. Looking at ES, significant range low is there on NQ. And then on ES is taking out this low. And this low shouldn't even be on there. And let's see. Why didn't I mark this low? That should be on there. Okay, so if it's that inside of A1 and 2, then that would be first TP. No, it isn't. Okay, so that will be final TP, or final. That will be first TP. If we even want to get there, I don't think we will. Now for yes, that will be all the way there. So let's see, stops are break even. Let's see what we do. 1508 will be full TP. Nice. Little stop, like huge stop in here, but this is just beautiful. Then letting it run. Or no, I'm not letting it run because this is significant range low and I'm still bullish from here once this gets taken. So I'll take 100% off here. Nice. That'll be the full trade. 2.77 RR, full TP. Still bullish. Still bullish, significant range. No, significant low. SL, no. Still bullish. Just gonna mark this out. Yeah, beautiful trade. Gonna copy this, paste in here, and that'll be that. Okay, going to next day, which is the day before NFP, so I'm not trading this day. Okay, go to Friday, see where we are now. Okay, so that looks weird. What are you at on Thursday? Nothing crazy, but wow, looks crazy. Let's see. So remove all the price action here. Okay, let's see where we're heading towards now. So I know bigger time frames obviously really bullish, shouldn't be looking for lower price, but if it does show like a bigger time frame efficiency getting disrespected, then I would be bearish. Which it doesn't look like we have now. Okay, we're a really small one, singular one. We did inverse. And then on ES. 3-day. Also, so I'm looking for bearish prices. That will be the SIBI for me. And then the SIBI on NQ. Right there. That's the inversion now. Looking for the range low, which will be here, or significant range. And then on ES, so it's on the 3-day. And that'll be right there. So I'm looking for shorts on a bigger time frame on bearish, looking for shorts until the low there. Okay, we have the Friday here now. We have a singular SIBI here, which, okay, the high is still valid like this balance, so that's fine. SIBI here. Yeah, same thing. This is the singular one. Also, yeah. So singular SIBI here. Low hanging fruit already got taken. Once that inversion got hit, or SIBI got hit. But still respecting it. Bear time frame still bearish. So that again would be a low hanging fruit. See if you have any stage of accumulation in this market maker sell model. Marking this out as my original consolidation. We don't have any, so only looking for shorts until the low there. Don't think we'll take this on this one day, but we'll see how far we can go. Just looking for shorts. That's all I need to know. Friday. Yeah, we have we have Trump speaking. So that's the thing. Normally, if someone is speaking, or if Powell is speaking, I'm trading after Powell speaking, which will be okay. I'll be trading after 1:45 then. But here I'm kind of like, okay, I want to know what we do here. So I'm gonna be trading this day, but I'm not actually gonna take this setup. So I'm just gonna spot my setups and see what we actually do. Okay. Nothing here, waiting. Taking the low hanging fruit. Okay, 10 a.m. So I'm looking for, okay, do we have like the AM session? So like, yeah, the AM session, Paul or Trump is speaking at 1:45. So is the AM session, is it going to be choppy? Is it going to be ranging? Is it going to be bad? And then, okay, that could be like, okay, yeah, that's just an easy rule for me to add, okay? Not trade when someone is speaking. Doesn't matter Powell or someone else. If someone is speaking, high back floor news, no trading. As simple as that. So let's see. So 10:27 is in the right time. We have taken equalize here. Bear time frame we're bearish, and we're just like, we probably have like an inefficiency in here, but just looking at the structure. Taking equalize. NQ didn't. And then we have the pissy here. If we close below, then that's an entry. That would be an entry. So stop at the high. Break even is going to be at here. Really tight. And then for yes, that'll be right here. First TP we fix 1 or 2. Let's see. Break even trade. I actually wanted to put my limit order on break even. Our bro got a run out. I'll see you. Have a good session, bro. My bad for not staying long. Bro, you're good, man. I've been super. Bro, you're good. No worries, man. Good luck on your run, man. Thanks for still coming by, Jimmy. Honestly, thank you. So let's see. Okay, so far this looks like a clean run. No real big retracement, no choppy price action lower as like a staircase. So I'd say, okay, that looks nice. See, stop would be a break even. Full TP would be at the low. And that would be the low here on yes, I think. Let me check. Yeah, so let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, so that got hit there. And that would be at right there. So yeah, wouldn't have taken this. But now just looking at this and the price action that we have, I would say this is clean. Doesn't mean anything yet. Like if it was choppy price action, then from there, okay, easy rule. Like, okay, not trading that day. But now it's good price action. But it doesn't mean anything. Like, could be bad price action on other days. But I do think as well it's going to be normally good price action because it's like there's, I would say, big difference with like the head of like the Federal Reserve. And then Trump speaking, which Trump was a candidate for running for president, like president-elect. So I think there's a big difference in there as well. So far it looks like good price action. See we did the rest of the session. That would be stop my session anyway, but would say this works really nice. And then yeah. So not gonna take this, but I would have taken this then. Or no, I don't know yet. Like I have to get more data on this. But I will mark this here and then elect president. Elect Trump speaking. Good price action. W. Right there. Okay. So I'm gonna copy this in my Notion. Draw some lines on there so I know, okay, yeah, TP would have been hit. So copy image, just paste in here. That would just be an example of a good setup as well. Okay, so now I would be trading after Trump anyway. And that would be after 1:45. Let's see if we have like indeed this half hour, if we have good price action. Oh, actually, we have taken a significant range low now, so I'll be bullish now again. So I'm looking for this 4-hour low and above. See where we are in price now. We have a senior 2-week busy here, which is really on a very big time frame. 2-day, 3-day, 1 week. Okay, so we have a singular inversion here as well, so that we did tap into. So I have a nice inversion here. And then on ES, we also have a singular busy in here, which we did tap, so I'll just only mark out this one. Do we even have an inversion? If I would have marked it out. 3-day. Okay, so this is all balanced. Go and make a forced inversion, which would be here. Didn't tap that, so doesn't matter anyway. We have taken a 4-hour low now. After that significant range low, so I have to wait at least for a 5-minute low to get taken, and then I could be bullish again. Wait, actually. Significant range low is there. Yeah, okay, so waiting until 5-minute low gets taken, which is already right there, so I can be looking. Yo, Foblo, you're doing a full year worth of backtesting? Yes, I'm backtesting multiple years actually. So I already did 2023, 2022, 2021, and now in 2019. And also did like 2024 and even more, but that wasn't with the strategy that I'm trading now, which I'm only sticking to one strategy. But yeah, I didn't do that with, yeah, again, with the strategy I'm trading now. But let's see, you can look for bullish price now again. So just zooming in the structure here, like I know we have all these lows below here. We don't have to take it. I would be bullish here again. And then, yeah, I'm not trading an actual setup because Trump is still speaking after 13:45. But I'm gonna do the exact same thing, mark out the entry that I would have taken, and then, yeah, see how it would have played out. So let's see. Okay. Nothing here. Taking the sell side below here. We have a huge SMT. This is the 4-hour low again. Again, I have to look at all these 4-hour lows. Right there. Yeah, we have. So again, have to wait until 5-minute low gets taken. After that low, there gets taken. So okay, so that would be a 5-minute low. So now I can look for bullish price. It looks really like choppy price action. But now I can actually take a setup. Let's see what we actually have here now. So we do get a nice push so far. Do a really small SIBI here after taking these equal lows. There's no way that this is an entry. Break even. No, okay, good. Good. So yeah, still looking for a bullish setup, but waiting for more structure now. Really nice reaction so far. Exactly all what I need to wait for, but couldn't be an entry yet. Okay, this does look like it's gonna get an entry here. Let's see. Close above, which we do. That'll be the inversion. That'll be the entry. Stop at the low. This low takes out all these equal lows. Have an SMT there as well. Let's just add it. We have an inefficiency, 5 minutes. This would be a turtle soup inside of a bigger time frame inefficiency, which would be an inversion in this case. ES stepping into the bigger time frame busy as well, which should send price higher, which so far it had everything it needed to do. So I would say this looks like a really good setup. But normally when I say, okay, this looks like a A++ setup, like this looks better than other setups, then it's just going to be a loss. But we'll see. So there will be a stage accumulate, or this will be original consolidation in this fractal market maker buy model. Minimum has to be 1 and 2 RRSTP. Then looking at this as a market maker buy model, this will be original consolidation. Okay, then we have swing high here, here. So stage of accumulation, original consolidation, and this is going to be a bigger time frame stage of accumulation. So like a 30 minute. Okay, so let's see. And then on ES, we have this here, really clean equalize up there. And then original consolidation up here, and then minimal of 1 and 2 RR inside of a 1 or 3. So that will be first TP this here. And that will be final if you want to get there. And then where I'll be break even. Looking in this fractal leg, do we have an open inefficiency? We don't. So it's going to be break even here, which is beyond a 1-1 RR. So I'll go break even at a 1-1. Mark out this. And then on ES, I'll be break even at, that would be the open efficiency, but there isn't on NQ. So yeah, NQ is leading because I take it on NQ. So break even on ES would be at the black line here. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like a really good setup, but normally that's going to be an instant stop, but we'll see. Okay, so that's already break even. So I would be break even on there already. Okay, break even trade. See what we did eventually. Okay, did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so that's really nice. Eventually did went to, not 1 and 2, but they went to the high there. But yeah, I expected for us to trade or take this high and then trade through the high, through all the buy side here, because the bigger time frame would be bullish, everything would be aligning, but couldn't have it. So copy image, that would be a break even. Will you be working a regular job while compounding your account, or are you going for will you be working a regular job while combining? Yeah, I'm full-time working full-time. yeah, that's just the that's just real life. That's just a realistic thing to do, which I am doing. Like now I have school still, and I'm also working, like not working full time, but um, I am done in literally now and 2 weeks, I would say, with school. And then from there, I'm gonna be working, and I think I want to find a new job which I can actually work even more hours, and then I want to combine it so I can have time for trading as well. So yeah, if I'm gonna find or look for a new job, then may as well make it easy for myself to like make it easiest as possible. Like I'm not gonna make it like, okay, I'll be only working when the markets are not open, like not that, but gonna find something that yeah would fit me then. Yeah, we'll see. Yo, Tracy, we're switching over to TopStep. I want to know, is your experience, how's your experience? Great, man. Like TopStep is in the I want to say TopStep is in the top, but yeah, it really is. It's in the top two. Like TopStep would be on top, and then you have my funded futures next, and then after that you have Apex funded trading, and then after that, don't even consider other firms, I would say. But yeah, TopStep really good, man. And you're switching over from my funded futures then, I think. Yeah, things you need to know for TopStep. Get an account on TopStep X. So TopStep and TopStep X, that's the same thing. It's both from TopStep, like it's the exact same thing. But TopStep X is their own like MetaTrader. Like I don't know how to explain it, their own platform to trade in. So you just get a trading view charts. Everything is great, but the difference is on TopStep X, if you like, that would be a thing. If you once you're funded, like you can copy trade really easily on there. But the biggest thing is if you trade on TopStep X, then you could trade with micros, as like 1 mini is 10 micros. So you could trade up to 5 minis. So that means you could trade 50 macros or 50 micros on TopStep X. And then compared to TopStep trading on TradingView itself, you can only trade 1 to 5 minis or 1 to 5 micros, which is really small. So yeah, it could also be like 1 to 5 micros. That could also be fine. But if you want to take like if you have a tiny stop loss and you really want to take partials, like 50, like I wouldn't say you take the full 50, but you could trade up to like 20 micros. That would be really nice. But yeah, awesome. It's always best to work as much hours as possible. Like yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, when you're young, because when you get old, yeah, that's exactly, yeah. Exactly, man. Yeah. Also, do you work full time, Fablo, or how's your situation? Yesterday, did you trade today or yesterday? No, didn't trade today or yesterday. Yesterday we had no news, and today we had OPEC meetings. So let me look at the charts. But I think I avoided pretty bad. Like if I would have traded in this, I probably would have taken some losses. I think because it for my strategy didn't look great, I would say. I think. Don't know yet. Looks like a really nice bearish day, but honestly, I really don't know. But yeah, not trading on the OPEC or all day, all currencies news. Don't trade that. And then yesterday, Monday, let's see. Also had a really bearish day there, but yeah, just nothing for me. Like you could say, oh, we had a really nice move on Monday, but it's only this. And where would you have caught like a setup in here, like here maybe? Also really big stop, or I don't know, didn't take out any liquidity, I don't know, but here really choppy, didn't really do anything. Trade all the way higher to here to go lower. I don't know, just nothing for me. But yeah, I didn't trade, no. Awesome, bro. Yeah, I know the app TopStep I'm getting. Nice, man, nice. I'm not gonna buy the account. I'm gonna trade on TradingView. I'm not gonna buy the account. Oh yeah, then it's fine. Like yeah, exactly as you say. If you're trading 1 to 2 micros, then that would be totally fine. Or 1 to 2, I would say 1 to 2 micros then, right? Yeah, it's really the thing. Like if you really like taking the partials, like micro is always the best thing. But 1 to 2 micros on why a 100k account and not a 50k account? I think if you I think 50k account and the 150k accounts are the best. Like if you are not profitable at that, like this is just like, this makes sense to me. I'm not profitable. I haven't had any experience with this, but I have heard other people say, and it just makes sense. Like it sounds logical in my head. But if you trade the 50k account, then like it could be many reasons, but a simple reason or one of a simple reason could be, okay, you're trading 50k account. Or reason could be, okay, you wanna, it's like your first account, that could be a reason, and you would just want to get it, like want to take it easy and want to get like the experience with like funded accounts, that could be a thing. And then the 150k account, okay, you're not gonna, if you are profitable, then you're either gonna get the 50k account or the 150k account, because why would you buy, if you're profitable, a 100k account? Like if you're profitable, why not go for the full size account? Like I think the 100k is just between there to just get, oh, the 100k account is like, okay, I'm paying this amount, and then the 150k account, wait, that's not even that much difference, so let me go for the 150k account. Like I think that's like it's either 50k account or 150k account, like, or maybe you have a like that sound logical in my head. Like I don't know the facts, but maybe you could explain that to me, like the reason. Like I'm curious. Yes, I still work 50 hours a week. Been trading for 6 years. And currently have 50,000 Qatar again. When I'll fully stop working once I reach 100,000. Wow, that's a really nice goal, man. Wow, thank you for sharing that photo. Honestly, thank you, man. Really like just hearing that information from someone who is actually doing it. That's crazy, man. Thank you. Did you get payouts for unpoppers or not? Yeah, no. Can afford it, but why not go for 2 50k accounts? Like if you actually wanna, like, yeah, what was the reason for the 100k account? If that's the only reason, but why not get 2 50k accounts then? Like it would be the same price, and then your chance of passing are way higher then. Like you could be, yeah, we have one more opportunity, I would say. But it's kind of hard for me. Can't afford to pay, especially since I'm not employed. But yeah, why not go for the 50k account? Why the 100k account and then not the 50k account? Like you can get 2 50k accounts instead of one 100k account. Let's say you fail the 100k account, then yeah, that'll be it. But if you trade the 50k account, you still have another one. Like that would be like, it makes sense to me. Like yeah, just make your probabilities higher in this. Yeah, that'll be the session actually. Like I already did 1 hour and it's getting late already. So yeah, let's see where I end the session. So analytics, I think it's really crazy again. Yeah, so it took some break-even trades. Before I started the session, it was 40 break-even trades, and got 3 break-even trades added to this. And out of those 3 break-even trades, 3 out of them would have run to TP, but that's still like, that's fine. Like if I do something about it, then it's gonna fuck up the what is it? The consistency, the entire data set, the entire data on it. Like just looking at this, not looking at the break-even trades, just looks beautiful. Like this is something if I didn't see the numbers on here, or only saw, okay, this and this, and I saw this, only these 3, then I would say, give me that strategy, give me that. Like that's what I'm going for. You don't have to see this. Like this is all I need. And if I'm not gonna fuck it up with like not taking the setup, that could be the only thing that would destroy the entire strategy. Like not taking a setup that is, or taking a setup that is not my setup, clicking the button when I am not supposed to click the button. And yeah, that's the only thing. That's the only thing that would make this not working. But yeah, really nice. Did anything change? No. Oh yeah, now we are near. Oh my god. What the hell was that? What the hell? What do I want to say? Yeah, we're now in August, so what the hell? Okay, so we're now in August, and August is one of the months that is like the price action on here. These are the best months for me to trade in. These months are not so, even though I got good results in these now. From my data I've seen, okay, these are not the best months for me. And then August as well, that's also 1 month. We'll see what we get with the price action in here. But yeah, going into August, I'm not expecting anything good, I would say. So we'll see. Yeah. Thanks, man. It was a tough journey. I think I lost $30,000 before I became profitable. I just remained positive and told myself it was tuition for college. I think that's the best thing. Or just, I think, like I hear that from everyone that actually makes it with the trading. Like they have lost some amount of money, which actually got. I think that's not just with trading, but I think with anything, like losing something with business as well, like just failing with a business and then starting entirely from scratch. I don't know. Maybe I need to have that as well. Like need to lose a few $1,000s before before I'll actually make it. Who knows? But don't hope I have to. But yeah. You see in backtesting that your strategy is powerful in long term. So what makes you not being funded in this moment? I've traded the strategy. I have a lot of data behind it now. But yeah, as I said, like December is not the best month. November, December, or no, I said August is not my best month. August, September, and then I have November, December, January, February, around those months. Like it's almost half of the year. Yes, I know, but still have to get more data on this. But I've seen, okay, January, I think now I've backtested 3 or 4 years. And yeah, January, February, and some were good, some were bad. But I've seen like all these months, I think were green or like break even, but not crazy bad or crazy bad price action. Yeah, as I said, like these months, not the best. And yeah, I've been trading this strategy now for 2 months exactly now, which is in November and December, which I'm still saying now that it's okay. That's November, December. My strategy doesn't work the best in those months. Like that could be the reason, and that's what I'm still going for now. Or that's what I'm still saying now. And yeah, you could next year, 2025, if I'm not funded by then, if I didn't get a payout by then, I might need to quit trading. No, just kidding. Like I'm never gonna quit trading, but then it would be something wrong. Like I really have to figure out what would be wrong then. But I really think just have faith in myself. Next year I'm gonna be funded. I'm gonna be saying it. Next year I will be funded. Next year I will be getting payouts. If I actually say it by if it actually comes out of my month, if it actually comes out of my mouth, then it makes it even better. Like yeah, it really makes me, I don't know, it feels really good to hear it come out of your own mouth. Like I think that's it gives you I don't know, like with I don't know how to explain it, but it's just really good feeling, and makes me have a lot of confidence with it. Having a lot of getting a lot of faith out of that, and yeah, that's the thing there. Yo, Blade, what's up, man? But I'm gonna be ending it here. It's getting late now. Can't even get out of my words. 2:14. That's it's late already. Yo, Blade, man, gonna end the session here. Fortunately. Did I oh yeah, so trading tomorrow, of course. Let's see what we have with news now. Then I'll be ending it. So yeah, this week, Wednesday, tomorrow, CPI, 10:30 crude oil, doesn't matter. That's not that crazy. And then yeah, okay. Yeah, looks okay. Like Wednesday, good trading day. Thursday, good trading day. Friday, no trading. And we'll see what we do in the charts. Will I be live streaming tomorrow? Maybe in the PM session. I don't know yet. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. All good. Hope you enjoyed the trade session. I did, man. Thank you. Excited for tomorrow as always. Me too, man. Me too. We'll see with tomorrow. I'll probably see you in like hopefully I will be live streaming. Maybe see you then. Then keep going, bro. The most important thing is to not quit. I'm believing in you. Just keep fighting. Thank you, man. Honestly, really appreciate that, man. Thank you, Yasir. Yeah, gonna end here. Yasir, thank you for watching. Blade as well. Tracy. And Tracy, if you have any other questions with the like top step, like I know the basic stuff with like what you need, or with with the contract size, or it can send you in the right direction. Like everything is on the top, but still, like I want to help out if I can, and then ask in a Discord or something. And a Flowblow as well. Thank you for watching, and then one other person as well, and that would be 5. But yeah, have a good night or a nice day. Don't know where you guys live. Do know where some of you guys live, like the area, America or Europe. But yeah, see you guys. Have a good night or nice day. See you. Have a good night, man. Oh, Wordstraw. Thank you, man. Good night, man. Of course. See you.